What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Monday, July 20th, 2020. We've got a lot of big gains on the markets. Let's go ahead and check it out and see where we're going to be starting this week off at. Gold is up nicely, currently at 1817.61. Silver is up very, very nicely at 1967, giving us a ratio of 92.43. Platinum is up nicely as well, currently at 855.28, and palladium's back over 2100, currently at 2102.50. In other metals markets, rhodium has gained $300, currently at 8,300. Copper is steady at $2.91. Aluminum also steady at 73 cents, and uranium is down 50 cents, currently at 32.30. Barrels of crude oil are fairly steady, currently at 40.36 a barrel. We had a mixed day on Wall Street Friday. The Dow was down 62 points, closing out the week at 26,671.95. The NASDAQ was up 29 points. It's going to be starting this week off at 10,503.19, and the S&P 500 was up 9 points. It's going to be going off at 32,24.73. We do have mixed starts to the futures on Wall Street. The Dow is down 34 points. The S&P is even, and NASDAQ is up 29 points. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, those are pretty steady. Those are currently at 91.5402. And if you guys happen to trade in the Utah Goldback, those are steady at $3.10. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing an article that comes to us from Michael McCrae over at KitcoNews. This one is silver prices to be sustained by shrinking supply and higher demand. The drop-off in base metal investment is going to propel silver higher, says Silver Wheaton CEO Randy Smallwood, who spoke to KitcoNews last week. A poor base metal market has dampened supply. Quote, there's decreasing supply from the mining side, mainly because silver mostly comes from lead and zinc, and the pricing has not been very strong as of late, said Smallwood. We spend a lot of time studying the base metal sector because that's where we get the most of our precious metal streams. During the past 6 months, spot zinc has stayed below $1 a pound, but recently the metal has started to gain some momentum. We are seeing a shrinking supply combined with increased demand, and that's always the perfect recipe for strength in commodity prices. Silver, which also lags gold, is definitely taking a run. Silver is up during the past week. Silver prices overnight did poke another 11-month high and closing in on $20, a technical resistance level. Outside of people looking to silver as a precious metal for investment, Smallwood touts the industrial uses of silver. We continue to see strong growth on the industrial side. Silver is being consumed in high technology appliances, and on top of that, it's got the strongest antibacterial benefit, says Smallwood. He also noted the need for silver in mobile electronics, solar panel manufacturing, and water purification systems, all three things that are really booming right now. So what do you guys think? Mr. Smallwood sounds like he's thinking along the same lines that we might be. So silver prices definitely are, if you guys follow the channel, you know they are up quite a bit. So what do you guys think? Where do you think silver is going to end up? Where do you think it's going to stop? I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to think on the topic. Where do I think it's going? I'd like to say we're going to be in the, maybe by the end of the year, we might be around $21, $22, I think, would be a good point, I think. Once we get to $20, if we get past that point of resistance at $20, then, who knows where it's going to go. I'm not a financial advisor in any way, of course. I'm just a guy who enjoys numbers and precious metals. So be interested to hear what you guys have to think, though. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments down below. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old Indie XP, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on all the latest and greatest content, why don't you consider smashing that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay up to date of all the new content as it comes out. I'm going to post this card right here, bam, of the latest and greatest. And guys, I have been Old Indie XP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.